In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a passport size photo using Microsoft Word. This simple procedure enables you to navigate your way through Microsoft Word's features to create a perfectly sized photo for all your passport needs. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First, begin by opening a new Word document. If you're not sure how to do that, just find the Word icon on your computer and give it a click, then select Blank Document from the options available. Now we need to get your photo into this document, so head over to the Insert tab in the ribbon at the top of the screen. This tab is your gateway to adding images, charts, and more, but today we are focusing on photographs. Click on Pictures, and when prompted, browse through your computer's files and carefully select the photo you wish to resize. This process should be familiar to anyone who's uploaded or downloaded files before. Once your desired photo is nestled comfortably in your document, you will need to select it by clicking on it once. With the photo highlighted, your ribbon should change to display a new section called Picture Format. This tab appears automatically and is specially designed to help you modify your image. Scan your eyes to the far right of the ribbon until you spot the section called Size. This is where the magic happens. To bring up more specific sizing options, look for a tiny diagonal arrow or perhaps a small box in the bottom right corner of this size group and click on it. This action opens the layout window or the size dialog box, depending on your version of Word. Within this window, locate the scale section. There's an option here that says lock aspect ratio. Make sure to uncheck this box as we need the freedom to adjust both width and height independently for our passport photo. Returning to the size and rotate section in the same window, set both the height and width to exactly 2 inches. Alternatively, if you're using a metric system, you can set them to 5.1 centimeters or 51 millimeters. This adjustment ensures your photo matches the standard dimensions for passport photos. Once you're satisfied with these settings, hit OK to apply them. One final adjustment may involve cropping. If your photo doesn't appear square and looks stretched, it could use a little trim. For this, still within the Picture Format tab, find and click the Crop button. Drag the black crop handles that appear on the edges of your photo, carefully trim it down to a square 2:2 ratio. Focus on including only the head and shoulders in the frame, which is typically required for passport photos. Once you're happy with the new framing, either press the ESC key or click Crop again to finalize your work, and there you have it. By using Microsoft Word's built-in features, you've created a concise and appropriately sized passport photo.